It's Friday, and around 8:30 in the evening. And what exactly I'm doing right now is I'm making my own Filipino version of chicken wings. Chicken buffalo wings. What do you call this one, love? Buffalo? Buffalo chicken. And it's really yummy. So I tried because it's too hot for me. So I did a little bit variation from the very spicy one. So, and then I, to pair it, is my parmesan, garlic parmesan bread. Soda, yeah, it looks okay. Not that bad though. Yes. And for dessert, we have the chocolate moist cake there. That's the remaining one because some of it I already stored it in the container. And then make this with cold soda. Gonna be perfect. This is actually my first time to make this buffalo chicken. And I don't know if I hope it turns out good. Huh? I don't know. This is just, you know me. I don't usually like to follow instructions. So, anyway, I'll let you know. Okay?